Victoria, popularly known as Toyin Asewo Mecca, was born on December 28, 1961 in Offa, Kwara State. For her education, Mama Toyin attended Methodist Primary School, Offa, Kwara State from 1966 to 1972. She had a West African School Certificate from 1973 to 1977. Mama Toyin had his secondary school education at Erile Secondary School, Kwara State from 1972 to 1978. She also went to Technical College, Osogbo, to study electronics from 1979 to 1982. Mama Toyin Adegbola also has a diploma in electronics from the London City of Guild in 1982. She also holds a national diploma in business administration from the Polytechnic Ibadan. In acting, Mama Toyin Adegbola was appointed the Deputy Governor, Association of Nigerian Theatre Practitioners, ANTP, Osun State Chapter, from 1996 to 2000. She was later appointed the Deputy Governor, Association of Nigerian Theatre Practitioners, ANTP, Oyo State Chapter, from 2006 to 2010. Mama Toyin Adegbola is a board member of Osun State Art and Culture in 2013. She is also a member, Producers Guild, Theatre Arts and Motion Pictures Practitioners Association of Nigerian (TAPA). She is an honorary member of Rotary Club Ibadan. She is a member, Eco Club, Chicago, USA. In broadcasting, Mama Toyin Adegbola had a working experience at the television service of Oyo State, now BCOS Ibadan, from 1982 to 1999. Some films produced with dates include The Virgin in 1997, Jerola in 1999, Mayowa in 2000, Shubuola in 2000, Ọjọ́ Ìdájọ́ 2001, Ibi Ayé Bámidé in 2003, Olórí Oko 2004, Ọmọge America 2009, Mama Korope 2019, Ìyá Àdúrà 2021, amongst others. Other films participated by Mama Toyin Adegbola includes Kọ̀nàkọ̀nà, Asewo Mecca, Agbára Obìnrin, Bashorun Gáà, Akínkanjú, Àkọ́bí Gómìnà, Toyin Tomato, Mama Commander, Ìyàwó Onígòòlù. Some awards with dates include Afro Nolly Award 1998, Afro Dublin Movie Award 2004, World Superstar Award 2006, Osun State Merit Award 2006, Ratawu NTA Ibadan Award of Excellence 2008, African Movie Award 2009, Central Council of Ibadan Indigen Award 2011, Evergreen Talent Award 2012, Ainoli Yoruba Best Actress Award 2012, African Magic Idonirawo Award 2012, Impeccable First Eye Award of Recognition Dallas in USA 2012, Peacock Music International Award of Honor 2021, amongst others. Mama Asewo Mecca, Mama Adegbola Toyin holds a chieftaincy title of Yeye Bobajiro of Igono land. She is also the Yeye Amuludun of Ayedo Ekiti. Toyin Adegbola is also the Yeye Akinweje of Mokola, Ibadan. She is also the Yeyoluwa of Ogbagi Kingdom. She also holds the title of the Yeye Otun Iyaoba of Iroko land. She is also the Yeye Oge of the Sauke. Mama Toyin Adegbola, Victoria hobbies include acting, listening to music, dancing, meeting people, traveling, and cooking. And today, I present to you an Amazon, a veteran actor and broadcaster, Mama Toyin Adegbola, also known as Asewo.